Hazrat Ali forbade such friendship. La tuakhi mein yastaru manakibaka wa yanshuru masala baka. Never make that person your friend who hides your quality and spreads defects. Hazrat Ali was asked, Ayu sahiba shar, which friend is the worst? Qala, he replied, Al-Muzayyinu laka ma'asiyatallah, who adorns the disobedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hazrat Ali bequeathed Imam Hassan, Ya bunayya, iyaka wa musadaqatal ahmaki fa innahu yuridu an yanfa'aka fa yazurraka. Avoid the friendship of fool because he will harm you in an attempt to benefit you. Wa iyaka wa musadaqal bakhili fa innahu yaqudu anka ahwaja ma takunu ilayh. Don't make miser as your friend because when you need his help the most, he will run away. Wa iyaka wa musadaqatal fajiri fa innahu yabi'uka bitafihi. Don't make your friend who is bad character, otherwise he will sell you for money. Wa iyaka wa musadaqatal kazzabi fa innahu kassarabi yuqarribu alaykal ba'id. Don't make liar as your friend because he is like deception of eyes. He will show you far off things near and near things as far off. He said, La tamnahanna vuddaka man la wafa alahu. Don't love such person who is disloyal. Man lam yubalika fahuwa adduwaka. Who doesn't care you, he isn't your friend but enemy. He advised, Man la yusahbaka ala nafsika wa suhbatahu wa balun alayka. Whose friendship isn't beneficial for you, then such friendship is burden on you.